Today we're going to be unboxing the Chronos response and stimulus device from Psychology Software Tools. Let's check out what's inside. The Chronos device itself has 5 button inputs and 5 LED lights on the front. You can map these to any RGB color value. And on the back there are several different input and output ports where you can connect different hardware accessories through Chronos and use them in your E' experiment. To get started, we have our USB installation key. Plug this into a PC or tablet to get started. And you also get a user letter, which will show you the different resources available to help you with Chronos. The power cable, plug this into the back of Chronos and attach it to any PC or tablet USB port. And our first accessory, a microphone with a 3.5mm jack, and you can use anything with a 3.5mm cable. Simply take the microphone, pop it into the base, and you can plug it in to the back of the Chronos. 2 more accessories that we have that come standard. We have a photo sensor. Attach this with the bungee cord to the front of your display device, and it will track your refresh rate and stimulus onset and offset times. We also have an auxiliary in-out cable. You can attach this to the back of your Chronos and use the cable to attach another hardware device through the Chronos to your E' experiment to keep that sub-millisecond accuracy consistent across your experiment. And that's all we have today.